Hi, this is the Zipper Lady, and I've had someone ask me how to put a invisible zipper pull on without one of the gadgets. Excuse me. And I've been doing drywall, and it really gets to you after a while. And so this is a 4, and it goes on 4mm. And notice how much smaller it is than the 6mm. Because when it comes out this end, so this is the open end when it goes on the zipper, when the zipper is actually open, and it comes out closed right here. So this section right here is 4mm, and this is 6mm. And they go on the same way. Turn it over to the right side, which is the side with the pull on it. And when you look down in, you will see, if I can get my fingers out of the way, that there is something called a bayonet, and it's right there and right there. There's 2 of them, and the zipper goes over that bayonet. See it from the side, you can see a point this way, and the zipper is going to go over that. So when you put it on, what you do is the zipper has that roll in it where it rolls to the back, and the coil has to go under the bayonet. I'm going to get it as close as I can before it fuzzes out. So what you want to do is you're going to put the coil in, and I do it as a 45. I have found that if you come at the bayonet at a 45, you hit the head of the zipper with your tape, and it'll automatically roll down that channel. And if you look at it, the roll causes the coil to go on the inside of the head, and the tape goes on the outside. Now, honestly, I use a clamp from my workroom. I have found that having a third hand is always the easiest way to do this. And again, I apologize. I've been doing drywall this week and tiling next week, and my hands are killing me. I can barely open the clamp. It's not that hard. But if you can see it, I'm just taking the bottom square of the zipper. Now, you don't want to get your fingers in there, because if the clamp goes closed, it's going to hurt you. But see how that goes? So here's the top. So I'm going to put it in the open here. Here's the bayonets. Here's the bridge. And here's the pull. And I just put it down on my sewing machine. Let's see if I can. I keep trying to. Izzy, stop. Somebody's in the alley. So what you're going to do is, Izzy, hush. You're going to roll it. You're going to place it with the coil inside, tape on the outside, push it into the nose and down on this side. Same deal here. And then you're just going to push. That's all it takes. So now I'm going to show you again. This is the back. See how this is the back? Here's the nose. And can you see how it's gone down over the sides of the bayonet? And that's it. Then you just push it on. Pull off the clamp and go on about your business. Now then, if you don't have a clamp, which I highly recommend you run down to Ace and get one, they will save your bacon. You can do it this way. And all I did was that I cut the coil off. So start with straight across. And then you want to open up that fold in the zipper and cut off the coil. And I do it about 1 inch, like that. Do it on the other side as well. And this will give you something to hold on to if you don't have a clamp. So now I'm going to use gravity, and again we're going to go for the bayonet. See how I'm flipping open the zipper? What you want to do is it's going in, is push it into the nose, put the coil underneath, the tape on the outside. Do it on the other side. There's that coil. It's going in and under. Now then, what you've done is, by cutting off the coil, is you've actually given yourself something to pull down, hold on to, so that you can pull down on the pull. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. If you have more questions, text me at 970-231-1434, and I will step you through it on FaceTime. That's it from the Zipper Lady today, from thezipperlady.com. Have a great one. Do something nice for somebody else today. It'll make you feel good. Ta for now.